Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Morning Volatility Report. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, holding down the fort this week while Mark is at the CBOE, the annual CBOE Risk Conference, somewhere in Florida. Anyway, I have some non-farm payroll notions blog from last night. Take a look at it. This is a strategy we looked at last night, mostly around trying to trade the non-farm payroll number. It looks like we're rallying on some expectation, I guess, of more easing. I guess at some point it will stop, but clearly not now, as the central bankers drink from the font of easing all across the globe like it's going to be some sort of magic elixir. Oh, I know, it is ridiculous. Guys, just I think it's the lazy way. Since the politicians won't do anything, we're going to try to fix it all. So dumb. Anyway, we have a little bit of rally in banks. We have a little bit of rally. We have basically, and from a vol point of view, it looks like we gave back a good chunk of the rally that we had yesterday in volatility. We were looking at ways to kind of fade it on the close. Where's my tick chart is what I want. All right. A couple different ways. We looked at buying a couple upside calls, and then like buying XIV or something like that. Not down to here yet. I guess, again, we will wait for that non-farm payroll number to come out. Stocks will probably slide around a little bit. We are seeing a little pop in Amazon, a little pop in CMG, a little pop in, I think Google was up a bit. So there's a little bit of movement. I would not say it's huge. And, sort of the macro products, again, like TLT and gold, are a little bit softer today. So not much of anything. I think we'll try to price a fly, maybe like, I don't know, for Thursday, Friday, today. It's just the market is very sideways. The problem is this is what we've got. It's a sideways market that feels like it's prone to drop at any moment, which is kind of a tough thing to trade. So we'll look at we'll look at trades that would basically benefit from that. Not really moving much today, but with the possibility of us falling out of bed for some particular reason. Mostly, again, I don't think there's any good news that can come out of the non-farm payroll number. Either interest rates the U.S. will keep ratcheting them up, which they probably should, even though the other central bankers across the globe are acting mad. And a bad number just means we're not growing, which is going to be bad for stocks at this point. Given kind of where we are in the S&P 500, we're sort of in that, what is that, the mid 2014 area, something around there. We haven't really been able to get out of this, right? So we're at a level that we were probably, in the middle of 2014, and we just have not really been able to get out of that. And without a catalyst, more jobs, more growth is a catalyst, and also oil keeps sort of, again, we were rallying a little bit this morning with oil being up, then sort of the rally petered out. So it's sort of the same thing with oil wagging the market dog. All of the same stuff. And like I said, the market is kind of sitting here with the ability to move sharply, because again, we're at a 20, almost 20 VIX. We're still pricing pretty good sized movements. Again, here's another day though, where we really are going to have, it looks like a close to close move that's well under wherever the VIX is trading. So at some point, we're going to need a move to justify the volatility that we're starting to price. We were moving, the market was all over the place really up until the end of last week, and things started to settle down a little bit. And I think those are the kind of trades you're looking for. You need things that are going to produce something if we don't move, but generate a nice return if we move, have that sharp move down again where you can just unload. All right. And that's what we got for today. I will see you all in the chat room, and some of the classes we have tonight in the chat room are, let's see here. What do we have? We have our Pro Chat Loser Tuesday. We have our open mic for all our gold students, and we'll be running our chat room pit report all day. Alrighty, and with that, I will see you all in a little while.